Welcome to the Busy Vegan Mom. Today we are going to make some amazing pumpkin plant-based oil-free clean hummus, perfect for the fall time. But before we do that, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my plant-based inspiration. Now for our ingredients, we're starting this hummus off with some cannellini beans versus the normal chickpeas. You can use chickpeas if you want. Also some garlic, some smoked paprika, some ground coriander, and some lemon juice. We're also, of course, going to have our pumpkin puree. We're going to be using some sunflower seeds. Now, here's what you do. You just rinse one can of the cannellini beans or the chickpeas if that's what you're using, and the other, you're actually going to not rinse them at all. You're going to leave the bean juice, the aquafaba, whatever you call it, and place it in the blender. That's going to be your liquid. Then you're just going to scoop out your pumpkin puree and measure it up in your cup, pour it into the blender along with your spices and other ingredients. Also, when it comes to lemon juice, I normally just cut up my lemon into 4 pieces and then squeeze 1 wedge to equal 1 tablespoon. I just eyeball it, and so we're going to use 3 tablespoons or 3 different wedges worth of lemon juice. Make sure you pick out the lemon seeds when they fall into the blender. And I'm continuing to add the rest of my ingredients, my minced garlic, and of course I put it on my blender, and we're going to get blending. Don't forget to add your 4 tablespoons of sunflower seeds here, and we just give it a nice blend. We want it to be a nice chunky consistency because this is hummus, and once you put it in the fridge it thickens up quite a bit too. And I had to do my official taste test and I was satisfied with the results. I added a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. You can adjust that to your liking. The whole point was for this to be a clean, sugar-free, oil-free hummus. You want hummus? Want me to make toast? Adding sesame seeds on top is a nice little garnish, and it does taste very good and blends well with the flavors. We spread some on toast. It was so nice. I also got some veggies and dipped them in the hummus as well. You can store this in the fridge for about 5 to 7 days. The beautiful pumpkin flavor is just amazing. This is another fall recipe for you to save and use for these cozy fall nights. I hope that you enjoy this recipe and will try it on your own time. Let me know what you think. And of course, adjust any of the flavors or the seasonings to your liking. This is just what we did, and we really liked it. It turned out great. Kid approved, mom approved, and we're all happy. So again, thank you for watching my hummus video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you'd like to support my channel further, you can go to buymeacoffee.com/thebusyveganmom. I appreciate your support. I do upload videos every Monday and Friday. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the plant-based inspiration I've got coming for you. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like. It really helps out my channel and helps with the algorithm. We'll see you guys next week.